This is Will at Spaceship, in which we see if weird Lego bricks can spaceship, and today we of course are doing the Lego hot dog. Now, the Lego hot dog is kind of a strange piece. It works very well with clips, but the actual curve of the dog itself is a little unusual because it doesn't wrap back around unless you flex it a bit, and that's just not a super strong way to build. It's also got this little nublin, and that's a technical term, but it fits into these tiny holes that are in some bricks. Again, cool, but not a very strong way to build. So we are going to be using these mostly with clips, and I did make a hot dog sphere the other day that I think is going to be a great power core. We use curve tiles to build a ring that can fit this ball, and then we're going to put these little T-bars right in the side with this part poking in, and we'll use those to hold this ball in place by putting them on all the sides. Just like that. Sturdy. We'll attach these little guys all around, and that'll close off the ring, but also give us these studs to attach another one of these tiled rings to. Perfect. And now we have a cool central core that uses hot dog fusion to build from. Also, it spins. Now I want to keep following this curve. So we take a round plate, add snot bricks all over, cap it with a round tile, and then make 4 more of those. And then we're going to put a hot dog into each of these snot bricks and attach these little units together. Because we used a snot brick that has a solid back, we know that we're going to get the same angle for every single little attachment. You can see how slightly pulling the hot dog out of each one changes the angle, and that's why we want them all to be perfectly uniform. Attach another little T-bar onto the back, and this will go into the bottom of this plate. If you're keeping track at home, our dog count is currently 32. I'm thinking these are thrusters, so we add some energy coming out the back, yellow because mustard, so that we can take one of these, create some double-sided clips, attach them all around, take some golden dogs, attach them all around, add a jumper, 4 more dogs in the middle, and then do it all again. So that we have 2 golden hot dog solar panel things. Attach them to the sides. 24 more dogs, that brings us to 56. So many dogs. Wait, that one's a monkey. You already got a spaceship. For this side, we're gonna add some curves to some plates, link a bunch together to evoke a certain bunness, add a structure to the bottom, put a hot dog on a clip, link on another dog on both sides, and then attach that to a plate with 7 others just like it. That's 24 more dogs that make our hot dog look mildly eldritch. It looks like it scuttles now. Here comes the dog. Attach it to the ship, and just to mess with our sense of scale, let's put this window on the front, which kind of makes this ship way bigger than you thought it was. And with that, I think our Imperial hot dog cruiser is done. This one turned out weird, but that's fitting because hot dogs are weird. Nobody really knows what's in them. I actually think these fold out and it flies like this most of the time. It's just whatever you least expect, like a hot dog. But the real question is, does this dog swoosh? So let's find out. 10 out of 10, that one shook me to my core, but then again, 80 hot dogs will do that to you. Lego hot dogs can spaceship.